anticipation is really important as a discipline. Started in around, or thought about around 1985 by a biologist, mathematician, and philosopher called Robert Rosen, who pitched it as the ways in which any living system has the ability to construct a model of the future, which therefore has an impact on its present, the sort of things that we've already been talking about. He realized that that was a completely different and itself provocative claim to make within the sciences, which, like much else, says that the present is a construct of the past. So that's one thing. The other thing is, this is me off piece now, the other thing is I was listening to a radio programme a few years ago on BBC Radio 4 about meat production in this country, and the presenter, she'd gone along to an abattoir and some farms, and she found that cows are able to project a model of themselves into the future, and that made her think very differently about what it means to kill these things and eat them, even though she wasn't a vegetarian or vegan. I thought that was really interesting. That took me back to Robert Rosen, whom I quoted earlier, who said that actually the ability to anticipate is the defining characteristic of living things. So, what does that mean? We in social design, under the ironclad fist of Papanak, realise I've been beaten into not designing for desires but designing for needs. I say to you, designing for needs puts people into a position of poverty wherein they are beholden unto you to deliver them whatever it is that they're needy of. I say to you, design for desires, because the desires are the projections of the people that they have of themselves into an anticipatory future, and you can fulfill that or you can destroy the present as some sort of poverty lacking space. So forget all of that Papanak nonsense. I will provide a brief that itself might be differently provocative.